Back with another video, this time showing you guys how to take apart the shifter linkage. Those of you that have been waiting for our release, we finally have them ready to go. And look at that, everything's done from scratch, so OEM specs. So I'll show you how to remove this. Super simple. And this one right here, you gotta grind it off, punch it out. So those of you that have been messaging me about when I'm gonna have it available, it's now available. Of course, the link. And I'm thinking I'm gonna offer every single item by itself, alone as well, just because I know these are done to specs, OEM specs. So if you just want to replace the bolts, the bushing, I don't know what this is called, goes on the shifter plate. So if you guys have a name for it, I know it has to have a name. Drop down on the comments, let me know what to call. So yeah, I'm gonna have every single item listed alone. You just want to buy one piece, two piece, everything, just one bushing. I don't know if you can see that. Let's get started. Right there. Alright, so we'll start with this. And then see, square. All you have to do is get that out, punch it out. I happen to have, pushing it out a little more. This spacer I got done for the case rod. See how it works. I don't know if you can see there, just pushing it out. Just like that. Go ahead and see. Just like that. Come out. You're probably gonna have to push this back a little since they got just like that. So here it is. Oh, by the way, titanium bolts. Probably gonna have to open it more. Just like that. Look at that. Oh, close it a little more. Just like that. It's a tight fit. But I'm not going to show you how to assemble all that. Just wanted to show you how to take that out. Then this one, this is gonna require some grinding. Just grind that off, push it out. Let me see if I can have it this way. Forget your safety glasses. Just grind that off a little. Hopefully you don't lose. You want to grind off the thinnest one because the other one's thicker than the other, so the Alright, so once that's all grinded, pretty much to the bracket, but you can see, you can see a little bit there. I'll see that if that's enough. Right there. You gotta open it. If the bushings are bad and you have that wiggle, it'll be much easier. But you gotta open that bracket and you should be fine. Don't be scared to open it. You should be able to bring it back. See if that helped. Yeah, you see it there? Open up a little. Right there. You see that? So, look at that. So now, all you gotta do comes out just like that. You got different options here. See, it was kind of back to normal. Just gotta play a little more. Just like that. Just like that. So then, see if we can get this. Just like that. And here's the good thing about this. If you think the full kit, it's too expensive, we're gonna have the option of just getting the bolts if that's what you want. If you think your bushings are good, just the bolts. They fit the OEM bushing. Or let's say you don't want the bolts, you know, something cheaper, you just want the bushings. Here's the OEM bolt, one of them. Just, it fits. So you don't. Here's the one we just took out. Look at that. This is the smallest. Yep. I went a little bit bigger just so the nut can go all the way through and have some thread left. But there's going to be multiple options. If you don't want the full kit, if you just want the bushing, if you just want the bolts, if you want to replace the old rusty ones, I guess you don't have an option with this one. You will need it. But again, don't drill any bigger or small. See, I won't go through there. Because same as this one. See, we just got it out. We'll go through here. I'll show it with this. I'll go through here. Or not go through here. But it will go through here. Right? So, same as ours. Won't go through there. But we'll go through that. This is the smallest for the shifter plate, so that's why it's not reaching. But yeah, I know I've seen videos where you guys drill this bigger as that. Don't do that, because then you're gonna come back and say, hey, your thing's too loose. We don't want to hear that. We don't want you to make that mistake. So there it is, guys. Oh, that's pretty cool. But yeah, you want full kit, you just want bushing, you just want the bolts. You choose. They're all going to be, all the options are going to be available on the website. I'll post the website here underneath. Would like to hear your thoughts. If you guys have a better and faster way of taking this apart, I guess we can, look at that. Well, I guess I went too. Yeah. Let me know. I want to hear the comments. What you guys think. What we can improve. Even taking these things apart. I'd like to hear you guys. What's the fastest or better way